Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I've got some really exciting updates I wanted to share with you. But first of all, I wanted to say thank you so much. We now have over 780,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel and more than 75,000 members in our Excel for Freelancers Facebook group, along with more than 45 million views. So thank you so much. It's been 8 years since I started Excel for Freelancers. And next year, we're going to create a brand new frontier with even more value and more ways to make you money, which is, of course, our goal here. First of all, I've got some exciting news that I want to share with you. In fact, all of our products and our courses, now you can get 24/7 support on. For the last few months, my team has been hard at work creating GPTs for each and every course and each and every product. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, what that means for you, every single product that I've created, every single course that I've created, in fact, every single template that I have created now contains full support. And that means, for example, if it is a template, the entire template, Excel template, has been uploaded to this GPT, along with all the VBA code and even the transcripts of the video. If it's a course, all the contents of the course have been uploaded to these GPTs. And if it's a product, all of the information. What does that mean for you? That means with a simple link, you can get answers to your questions right away. Regardless if it's a course, a product, or a template, these GPTs give you 24/7 support. And of course, once you have these courses or these products inside your computer or whatever, you simply click the link, ask your questions, and get answers. This is brand new. I've never had this before. It took a lot of work, but now you can get that support that you've needed, regardless of your questions, 24/7. If that wasn't enough, I decided to create a really incredible Black Friday promotion this year. And that means I've made sure that every single product and course has those GPTs inside them. So I've only done that, but I've gone above and beyond discounts this year. We're giving 50 to 60% discounts available to you for the next few days for our Black Friday promotion. And that means every single course, every single product is discount. So if you've been holding out, now is the time to make that purchase, because that type of investment will last for years and years. I'll include the link in the comments, of course, below for that. So it's a great time. Please keep in mind that I also have build your own bundles. This is the first time ever I've done that. That means it allows you to pick and choose the courses, the products that you want in your own bundle, and save massively on that. You'll even get an additional savings that I've programmed in to this build your own bundle. So we've got that going on. Also, next year, we're going to go above and beyond Excel. My goal is to not just make you great with Excel, but to make you a lot of money. And to do that, we need to go above and beyond. And that means things like sales psychology, the ability to create your own products or create your own services, or pretty much however I can help you reach your goals. I'm going to kind of keep an open mind. A lot of it will use AI because AI is the future. Some of you are hesitant with AI, and I certainly can understand that. But there are so many brand new tools, tricks, and techniques with AI. It would be really a big crime if I were to ignore that. So we're going to go above and beyond that next year, but it's going to be based on your ideas, your feedback, and your comments. So make sure in this video you comment below. What do you want to see? We will work with Excel often enough, but maybe not. Maybe some will be on AI tools, or maybe some will be on tools that you can use to help get ahead. Pretty much it's going to be an open door template because I want to focus on your success. As a 20-year digital nomad, a lot of you want to be able to have the freedom to travel and work and pretty much have an income stream wherever you are in the world. So that is really my goal, is to give you that freedom, the freedom to travel or the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want. So if I can help you reach that, I'm going to do just that, as I've been doing for the last 20 years, 10 years in Thailand and now 10 years in Vietnam. So it's super great to have you on this journey. Make sure you click the link below, grab whatever deals you can today, because it's the best time to do that to help you reach your goals. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the inside.